guys, so we've received our Greenstell hammock chair, brand new. This video is going to help you from the moment we unbox it all the way to sitting down comfortably. Stay tuned. The Greenstell hammock chair comes with everything you need for installation, including mounting plates, hooks, screws, and extension chains for suspending the chair. The hammock chair also comes with easy installation instructions to help you along the way. Let's get started. The first step is to locate the joist or stud that you're going to mount the mounting plate to. Once you've located the correct mounting location, position your mounting plate and mark drilling holes. Next, you're going to want to get your drill and then drill through pilot holes. This will make it easier for your screws to enter the stud. Next, mount a Phillips bit to your drill. This will allow you to screw the screws into the pilot holes that you've already created. Once your mounting plates have been secured, you can now begin the simple assembly of the rest of the hammock chair. If using both hooks, you'll want to attach the hooks to the metal ring on the hammock chair. The hooks can then each be attached to the suspension chain. Once the chain has been adjusted to proper seating height, you can attach the hook to the mounting plate. Once you've attached the hook to the mounting plate, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your hammock chair from Greenstell.